Hey knitters, it's Abby from Wool and Pine, and let's talk about yarn for your bluegrass brioche shawl. So if you have ever worked any of our Stashbuster projects, like any of our sea glass items or any of the Whidbey items, this is about the same, which I will preface this by saying you can do whatever you want, whatever colors you want to use. If you want to mix single ply and merino and acrylic, toss them all in there. This is the type of project where you really can just use up everything that you have in your stash. Colors that go together, colors that clash. That 3 grams you have left of that one yarn that you just can't throw away. This is your chance to use it. So before you jump in and ask, can I use XYZ? Just assume the answer is yes. Use it all. So what I used for mine in particular is I got a whole whack load of hedgehog minis in their sock yarn. These are fantastic. I have always loved their yarns and their variegated yarns, and this was a really cool opportunity for me to get to use them. So the first thing that I did is I separated my yarn approximately into lights-ish and darks-ish. So as you can see, a lot of these yarns are highly variegated. So some of these yarns that I considered to be the dark yarns had, really bright light spots. And some of the yarns that I considered to be the light yarns had really dark spots. And that's okay. That is what really helps bring together the organic look of this shawl and what I really liked about how we brought it together. Excuse me, let's talk real quick. Here's my original swatch that I did. So I swatched it out in just plain 2 colors, solid colors here. So you can see this honeycomb stitch that we're attempting to create. So if you're new to brioche, I would recommend doing a swatch in 2 solid colors just to help you read your brioche knitting a little bit more and get comfortable with this stitch. The stitch is pretty easy, but what can happen when you're working with brioche, especially let's say, for example, I was working with this as my dark color and this is my light color. There could totally be areas where I have brioche stitches of light green for both areas. And if you're new to brioche, you might find that a little bit difficult to read your knitting. So you can always swatch like I did, just to get a feel for the stitches. Okay, so let's talk about how I went about choosing my colors for each row. So I had a vague theory where if I used a warm light color, then I would use a cool dark color. So when I say warm versus cool, I mean if I'm using an orange or a pink or a yellow or a red for my light color on the front, then I wanted to use like a blue or a green or a purple for the back side, and vice versa. So if I'm using a blue or a green or a purple on the light side, then I wanted to use like a red or an orange or something for the wrong side. And again, that's just to help sort of keep the organic look to the shawl. So you'll see here I used like a yellow orangey on the top, and in the back is like a dark green, or you could really just do whatever. You could honestly close your eyes and pick out whatever you wanted, and it would still come out looking like your grandma's bestest, ugliest blanket in the best way possible. But here, let's see if I can pick out another couple examples. Okay, so here I've got like a light pinky green variegated with a blue in the background. And then, of course, to mix it up, I would occasionally use a warm color on the front and the back. So what I'm trying to say is basically, you just kind of want to keep an eye, not row per row. If you are so focused row per row on choosing your colors, it's going to be really exhausting. So you want to keep in mind the size of this thing and what's one row, right? So as you're knitting, you kind of just want to feel it as you go and say, oh, I haven't used yellow in a while. I need something that has a little more you know, greens in it to kind of keep the color flowing throughout. I think, what does Selena say? She calls it painting with yarn, and I really love that analogy. This video is getting really long. Is this helpful to you guys? I don't know. I just knit it in the light. If you're trying to choose your colors in the dark, that can be difficult. So having good lighting, even if it's nighttime, make sure you have good lighting so that you can actually see your colors. And I mean, what else? What else can I say? The fringe is going to look great. Look at all the colors in the fringe. It's lots of fun. We cannot wait to see your guys' color combos. And all of this goes to say, if you want to knit your whole shawl in just 2 colors, go for it. If you want to knit your shawl in a solid color back and a variegated color on the top, go for it. This is really your opportunity to use up your yarn however you'd like. So there are no boundaries. Just go for it. Anyway, I'll have Selena watch this and tell me if it made any sense whatsoever.